Hi teacher, I am Angie Uribe. Let me talk about the main problems of society today. It is no secret that society faces deeply complex problems. The lack of love and empathy is an absolutely central theme, as expressed in the song Where is the Love by the Black Eyed Peas, manifesting in itself in violence, hatred, discrimination, and our conflicts. We see the terribly devastating consequences of this in the wars and terrorism mentioned in Boston. Inequality is another critical problem. Evidence in poverty, extreme homelessness, and the severe gap in access to resources and opportunities as highlighted in Pink Song Dear Mr. President and hinted at in the lyrics about materialism in Where is the Love. In addiction, greed, corruption, pollution, and dehumanization are problems that affect affect us all in incredibly significant ways. In conclusion, there is the truly urgent need for a shift toward a more just, compassionate, society centered and on love and respect for human life. Thank you, teacher.